This is Coveton Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Normally Sundowns 3 Cape Town Spurs North. Magania, how do you feel about the game? What I'm trying?
I feel like them.
Yeah.
If you cannot beat them, join them.
So we're joining them.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Not today.
Yeah.
Because Captain Spurs,
Yeah.
non-existing. It's non-existing. We know.
Yeah.
Nothing. But if you and in every point.
We're not going to see people going to
No, not people alone. Captain Spurs. Bam. It's terrible parade.
Non-existing. It's a leaking in a
Captain Spurs. But not anymore. If you know, in all 3 points, the Pirates.
Yeah.
But I saw what the maximum.
It's how the next. But I get the next year.